Hello everyone, how are you all? After a long break for the Puja festival, I am here again with you on this platform. Hope all of you are keeping well. This time after the festival over, again exam are in the air, isn't it? Hope you started again your regular chorus. Welcome to my channel. This time I would like to give you all the MCQs from the classes 9, 10, 11 and 12. And if I get time, I will definitely start it for class 8 also. So let's start today's video with the MCQs from class 9, Lost Child. The Lost Child, this is from your book Moments, written by Muluk Raz And. Summary. This Lost Child is all about the happy as well as fearful experience of a small boy who accompanies his parents to a village fair on the occasion of Spring Festival. And the child is fully excited and get thrilled by looking each and every beautiful things which come in his way. This is a typical view of village life where such children and such parents exist in every society. All the village people are dressed in customary colorful dresses and yellow turbans. The crowd are busy in merrymaking, singing, laughing, and enjoying every moment of the event. And the child was also very happy and excited. The child was fascinated towards all the things he saw on the way. He gets tempted towards the beautiful toys and requests his father to buy them, but his father refused and looked at him with anger. So, this is about a small boy. As from the name, we come to know that the lost child. The child was lost in the fair. So, let's see the MCQs from this chapter. And through these MCQs, we'll come to know the story. It's a rewind of the story. Okay, let's go. Where was the child going to? A village fair, attend a marriage, a book fair, or a ceremony? The child was going to attend a village fair. Which festival was celebrated in the village? By that time it is spring, so the festival of spring is celebrated in the village. The child was going to the fair with his parents, his friends, his relatives, the narrator. The child was going to the fair with his parents. So answer will be A. 4. How were the people going to the festival? The mode of transport actually. Some walked, some rode on horses, others said being carried in bamboo and bullock cart, and all of this. In the chapter we have seen the people were going, some walked, some rode on horses, others said being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. So answer will be all of these. So answer will be D. Question 5. How was the little boy feeling while going to the fair? Full of life and laughter, sad, angry and excited. Definitely, as it is village fair and the child is also very happy. So the answer will be A. Full of life and laughter. Question 6. What was the first thing that fascinated the child on the way to the fair? The beautiful toys that were kept in the shop, the sweets, the balloons, the garlands. The first thing that fascinated the child on the way to the fair was the beautiful toys that were kept in the shop. So answer will be A. Come, child, come, called his parents. Why did they call him? He lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops that lined the way. He lagged behind because he was lazy. He was watching the snack sermon. None of the above. Definitely, in the first time, his parents, when he called him, come, child, come, it is, and because he was lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shop that lined the way. So answer will be A. Question 8. What did the child do when his parents said, come child, come? He hurried towards his parent. He didn't come. He ran away from the place. None of the above. As an obedient child, he hurried towards his parents. So answer will be A. 9. What was the desire of his heart then? He wanted a toy. He wanted the sweets to go on the roundabouts and down. Definitely by that time when he saw the toys, he wanted to have it. So he wanted a toy. Answer will be A. 10. His dad looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. Who is he here? Mother, father, narrator, the child. His dad looked at him. So here he means his father. His father looked at him red-eyed in his familiar tyrant way. 11. What did the mother do when the child said, I want a toy? She said, look child, what is before you? She scolded him. She became angry with him. She purchased a toy for him. Definitely, when he desired to demand the toy, I want a toy, then his mother said, look child, what is before you? How was the flowering mustard field looking? Pale like melting gold, red with flowers shining like stars, yellow like gold. Definitely the flowering mustard fields looking like pale like melting gold. So answer will be A. 13. The silos following the dragonflies, the bees, butterfly, all. The silos following all means the dragonflies, the bees, the butterflies, he followed them all. Answer will be D. What kind of call was given by the mother? Cautionary call, angry call, loving call, soft call. Yes, when he followed the dragonflies, the bees and butterflies, and he's about to catch them. And by that time, his mother gave him a cautionary call. So answer will be A. What is a grove? A small group of trees, a village, a playground or shower. A grove means a small group of trees, means same trees. 16. Where they had seated on the footpath, they seated on the set of a grove, on the edge of a well, on the shades of a tree, on the shades of a house. None. They seated on the set of a grove, on the edge of a well. So answer will be A. What happened when the child entered a shady grove? It starts raining. Doves started going. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child. None. Definitely, when the child entered the shady grove, a shower of young flowers fell upon the child. So answer will be C. 18. Which footpath they took to go to the fair? The narrow footpath that led to the town. They took the narrow, winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard fields. They took the broad footpath, none. They took the narrow, winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard fields. So answer will be B. 19. What is the sweetmeat seller hawked? Gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi and all. The sweetmeat hawker hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi. So answer will be D, means all. 20. The child stared open-eyed and his mouth watered for his favorite sweet. What was it? Jalebi, gulab jamun, barfi or rasgulla? The child's favorite sweets was barfi. So answer will be C. 21. Did the boy get a garland of gulmohar? What would be his parents' reply? Maybe they will answer that they were costly, they were ordinary, or they were cheap, or none. Definitely his parents would reply they were cheap. 22. Without waiting for an answer, why he moved on? Because he knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers. They would say that they were cheap, both A and B, and D none. Without waiting for an answer, he moved on because he knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers. And also, they would say that they were cheap. So answer will be C, both A and B. A man stood holding pole with yellow, red, green and purple balloons lying in it. Which one he desired to possess? Red, green and yellow, purple and all of them. Yes, the man holding the balloons, lying from it, and the child desired to possess all the balloons, red, green, and yellow, and purple. So answer will be D, all of them. Question 24. Why did a child didn't ask for balloons? He well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons. Parents would say he was too old to play with such toys. His parents didn't have enough money to buy balloons. Both A and B. Answer. The child did not ask for balloons because he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons, and also parents would say he was too old to play with such toys. So answer will be D, both A and B. 25. The boy was attracted by the music of the snake's armor, yet he moved on. Why? His parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music. He was afraid of the snake. The boy didn't want to left behind, and his parents called him. The boy was attracted by the music of the snake's armor, yet he moved on because his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music. 26. The child watched intently and then he made a bold request. Why? To go to the roundabouts, to eat sweets, to buy balloons or none. The child watched intently and then he made a bold request to go to the roundabout. So answer will be A. 27. Where did the child lose his parents? At sweet shop, at flower shop, near snack farmer, near the roundabout. The child lost his child actually when he realized that he lost his parents, where he was near the roundabout. So answer is D. 28. Mother, father, he wailed. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. Who is he? The child, father, mother, neighbor. Who wailed? This is the child when he realized that his parents were not with him by that moment. He cried, mother, father, and in search of him he went everywhere, and in the midst of the crowd his yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. So answer will be A. 29. What was the color of his turban? Blue, green, yellow, and black. This is yellow. So answer will be C. He ran quickly again, this time to a desk. To his people seems to be crowding. So he went near to the shrine. Answer will be A. 31. What did the child do when he didn't find his parents with him? He cried mother and father. He sobs, wait for them and none. Definitely he cried father and mother when he didn't find his parents with him. 32. Who saved the boy from the chaos of the crowd? A kind-hearted man, his father, his mother, the police. He was saved, the little child was saved from the chaos of the crowd by a kind-hearted man. So answer will be A. 33. How did the man try to soothe the child at first? By taking him to the roundabouts, by taking him to the sweet shop, by giving him balloons or none. The man, the kind-hearted gentleman, tried to soothe the child at first by taking him to the roundabouts. 34. Why did the child say no to all the things he was earlier crying for? Because being with parents was more important. Love, care, and sense of security is more important which he gets from his parents. He lost his interest, all of the D's. Definitely, earlier he desired to possess all the things he has seen in the fair. But when he lost his parents, all the things lost his values, because being with his parents are more important for him by that moment, and the love, care, and sense of security is more important which he get from his parents. So he lost his interest. So the answer will be D, all of these. 35. The man headed towards the place where the snake's armor still played on the flute, to the swaying cobra. Listen to the nice music, child, he pleaded. The child refused to listen. The child enjoyed the music Both A and B, D, none. When after the roundabouts, the men headed towards the place where the snack sermon still played on the floor of the to the swing cobra and asked him to listen to the music. But the child refuses to listen. So answer will be A. 36. What the child did instead of listening to the music, the child shut his ears with his fingers. The child shouted with double pitch strain, I want my mother, I want my father. Both A and B or D, none. The child didn't listen the music. Instead, he shut his eyes with his fingers and also he shouted his double pitch strain, I want my mother, I want my father. So answer will be C, both A and B. 37. The man asks, would you like a rainbow colored balloon? To whom he asked this? The child, the father, the narrator, none. The man asked the child, would you like a rainbow colored balloons? So answer will be A. 13. What is the theme of the story? Close bonding between parents and children. Love, care and sense of security a child can only get from parents and family. Both A and B and D, none. Definitely the theme of the story is close bonding between parents and children. And the love, care, and sense of security a child can get only from their parents and family. So answer will be C, both A and B. So these are some of the MCQ from the chapter last side. Hope you have liked it. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.